Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make...
Oops. A mess?
No, oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Yummy. What did you put in there?
I think, Mommy,
What do you think, baby?
I put everything.
And what's everything?
I believe just the oatmeal.
Just the oatmeal? Oatmeal in?
Can I taste it?
Not yet, because it's going to be hot.
It's ready.
You think it's ready? Is it bubbling?
It has bubbles.
And what do you have right there? Who's helping you on the side?
This one?
Yep.
Squeeze is helping.
Oh, yes?
You mean she's helping me?
She is. Oh, she. I'm sorry, yes.
I believe she's a boy.
Now, to stay safe whenever you're close to the stove, what do you have to do? Do you put your hands inside the pot? No? What can happen if you put your hand inside the pot?
It will make my hands disappear.
Ah! Disappear?
That's why I'm holding this spoon.
That's why you're holding the spoon. Very good. So that means that this is hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. And that can be dangerous?
Yes?
Yes? Can you tell me, what did you do yesterday for Mommy?
I just put the Band-Aid.
And what happened to Mommy?
You were
Sewing?
yeah.
And what happened to my finger?
Your finger got blood.
But why?
Because I put a Band-Aid.
Yeah, but why? What happened to my finger? I was sewing and I did what? I poked it with the needle.
Poked it? Why?
Because I wasn't paying attention. And I wanted to do it fast.
Because you cannot do it fast, Mommy.
I know now. I should just take my
Mommy,
time.
I want to do it.
Okay.